Pala mga kabab. Isa nga pala gusto ko sabihin. Hindi lahat ng mahal yun yung masarap. Diba? Good day mga kababs. Again, welcome to another episode of Life of Mr. Babs. This past few days has been busy days. Marami tayong updates. Nabenta na natin yung Honda Civic. We got a new car, pero we'll announce it soon ano yung bago natin na kung sasakyan. And follow us throughout the day. See what happens. Peace. Okay mga kababs. Punta muna tayo sa Victoria branch natin. Kasama natin ang Chloe, come look, my beautiful daughter. Where are we going? You're working today? Okay, let's go. Go. Outside. Push. Chloe's going to work today. Dito na tayo mga kababs. Mr. Babs. Sige. Tanong total. So it's a blessing start so far mga kabab. So far tatlo na yung car wash natin for this Monday morning. So ngayon, nilinis naman si Joyce ng mga shoes na naka-pending pa. So far, yung impeccable shoes natin dito sa Victoria is still building. Beautiful daughter. Pinapakita na natin sa kanya at a very early stage, pinapakita na natin sa kanya yung mga business para naging circulation na rin nila, nakikita nila while they're growing up yung mga business natin dito. So yeah, here's a car wash. So na rin natin ng flyers yung client na nasa waiting room. Basta pa flyers. Bus for cleaning po. Okay mga kababs, hindi na tayo makakapagpalinis at sunod-sunod ang ating mga kliyente na dumarating dito sa car wash natin. Chloe, say bye-bye. Chloe, say bye-bye. Oh, give that to ate. Give this to ate. I will hold your hands. Go. Hindi na ako sa ano na akong papakarwash, baka mamayang gabi na lang.
Mon, Shopee.
Mon, daming pera ha. Shopee ka lang ha. Oh, Chloe, wait!
Kasi yung kutsilyo yata yun. Kailangan ng gamit.
Okay mga kababs, pabalik na tayo sa Villa branch. Yun talaga. Of course, unahin natin yung mga clients talaga all the time. For yung mga personal na kailangan nating services for our vehicles, pero we're so blessed that it's continuously performing like that, and then hopefully do better. And malapit na rin tayo magkaroon ng ano doon mga kababs, malapit na rin tayo magkaroon ng ceramic coating and 3-step buffing for color correction, kaya look out for that. We're gonna have a partner that's gonna work with us para dun sa services na yun. So let's go. Chloe, what do you want to say? Are you tired? Did you work today? Are you hungry? Are you full? You're full? Okay. We're gonna go home now, okay? So you can shower. Say bye-bye. Home base na tayo mga kababs. Overexposed tayo dito. Go inside. Okay mga babs, back to home base na tayo. So ngayon, ayusin naman natin yung audit nung ating impeccable shoes dito. Ang galing ni Monique. Dami yung sales nung over the weekend. So wala tayo nun. And then today, may mga sales na din siya. So, let's go. Ayan yung today.
Apa?
Amen.
Okay.
bisita today. Ang bisita natin. Yan. Bisita. What's up, brother? Ang gagawin natin today? Parang naano ko sa camera. What's up, bro? Gupitan natin si Harvey today, mga babs. Let's go! Ayan mga babs, pagkatapos natin gupitan si Harvey, naggupit na din ako. There's times talaga na ako na nagugupit when I have my free time. I've been rocking with this zero all the way, then with my beard. Ano lang, very fast, easy look, easy to maintain. If you want to try it, come visit us or book your barbers at babs.app. So time check mga babs, it is 2 p.m. Wait lang tayo sa mga clients right now. It's a bit slow, so I'm gonna start editing some of the videos that I need to edit. It's been quite a while. Ayun mga babs, medyo nagutom-gutom tayo, kaya bumili tayo ng favorite ko dito sa Pila, Laguna. Yung pares nila, bro. Yung solid yan. Sayang hindi ko na i-vlog yung motor natin. Ginamit natin siya today. Kain tayo mga kababs.
Apa?
Bawang. Laki na to. Big bowl. Nga pala mga kabab. Isa nga pala gusto ko sabihin. Hindi lahat ng mahal yun yung masarap. Diba? Pero hindi talagang solid ang price. Solid siya. Solid to. Promise. Kumapa tayo ng pila. Try nyo to. Okay, brother. Okay. Tayo, brother. Busy is good, brother. Black, so parang barbers lang yun, bro. Actually, dapat ito gusto ko. Bentahan mo.
Hindi mo kasi masyadong Hindi ko naman kaya.
Alright mga babs, time check, it is 6 p.m. Thank you for watching this episode. If you haven't downloaded Babs app yet, make sure to download it now for home service barber booking app. Babs.app para sa kliyente, Babs.partner para sa mga barbers and barbershop owners. It's available on Google Play and iOS Store. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Babs.app, and also dito sa ating YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe for more contents. We'll see you guys again real soon.